So we have 8.51 centimeters. In this particular problem, we've got a decimal point that already shows. So the decimal point has to be in the column of the label. So our centimeter column would be here. Here's our decimal point in the centi column. And we're going to copy the number around it. So our 8 is before the decimal point, and the 51 is after. Oh, I'm going into one of those unknown columns that was on, as the chart expands. So here we have 8.51 centimeters, and we're going to change this now to meters. So our decimal point is going to shift to the meter column. Here we go, right there. It's going to be removed from the original problem, and these columns are going to be filled with zeros in order to get to the meter column. So our number here would be 0.0851 meters. Here we have 1.9 decaliter. DA is the abbreviation for deca. The column decaliter tells us where to put the decimal point. So we're going to come over here and place our point here, and then copy the number around it. The 1 is before it, the 9 after. Where are we going with this? To the centi column. So over here, we're going to put our decimal point. This is where it's going to move. We remove it from our original problem. We've got some spaces to fill in with zeros until we get to the decimal point. So 1.9 decaliters translates to 1900 centiliters. 4 liters. Here's our liter column. We need a 4. There is no decimal point in this problem, so it's understood to be after the whole number. 4 liters translates to kiloliters. The kilo column is this way. I'm going to take my decimal point and place it here in the kilo. Remove it from my original problem and fill my other columns that are necessary with zeros until I get to the kilo position. And that is the answer. 4 liters translates to 0.004 kiloliters. This problem has a decimal point in it. So we're going to place it in the column that is labeled. This is a decigram. So we're going to come over to our deci column, place our decimal point, copy the number around it, 6.7. All right, in this case, we're going to change it to hectograms. Hectograms is here, hecto. Remove the decimal point, fill in the columns with zeros. That's the equivalent. What if we were taking this problem, the 6.7 decagram or decigrams? Again, I placed it here in the deci column. Here's our 6 and our 7. This time we're going to the milligrams. Milli is here. This is the milli column. We're going to remove the decimal point, fill in any column that needs a 0 up to the decimal point, and now we have 670 milligrams. It's very easy, very, very easy.